G'day, it's Colin from Worth. And what I've got here is the Rost Black. Rost Black is a highly effective graphite-based penetrant. You'd use it around the workshop and the home on rusted and seized bolts, on squeaky door hinges and things like that. It has graphite in it, so it has a temperature range from -30 to 450 degrees Celsius. The graphite in it will sink to the bottom of the can, so when you use it, give it a good shake, get the marble moving. And I'll spray some on the white paper here so you can see the black coloured graphite that is produced. So let's now go over and have a look at how it works on a rusted bolt. So we simply spray the Rost Black onto the rusted bolt and allow it time to soak in. The Rost will soften and loosen the rust that's holding the bolt to the nut. The main benefit of Rost Black is the graphite. And what happens is when you spray it on, the Rost penetrates, but the graphite gives you that heat protection, as I said, up to 450 degrees, but also it acts as an anti-seize on the bolt, so the graphite stays behind. It's also suitable for use in damp areas where there's a lot of moisture to protect parts from getting rusted in the first place. Rost Black forms just one part of the Worth penetrant range. For more information on these products, check out our website. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.